Becoming Rhaenyra Targaryen. I'm back, different day, different outfit, fresh hair. So let's get into what I have found, which has been some good stuff. All thanks to you guys, honestly. The last video that I posted, you guys gave me some websites to go try. You had some questions, and so I'm gonna answer those, and I'm also gonna show you some really good fabrics that I think could work for Rhaenyra besides going for the big price boy across the, big ocean. Okay, so first off, to refresh everyone's memory, I'll be making this dress. And before we get any further, all these tabs that I have open, I found another picture of the dress, which gives a little more identity to what it will be shaped like. So I'm very happy that there's no giant sleeves here. It looks like there's a really cool embroidery piece in the front and a split that goes into a darker red fabric. I'm excited to figure that out a little bit more, but I found this, just hopping around on the internet, and I'm just very excited because that means there's going to be less fabric I have to buy. Yay. So we have established that, so let's get into some of the websites you guys sent me on the last video. Now, one of you guys sent me to armorandcastings.com, which is a reproduction company for a lot of medieval jewelry, and they said they used a lot of this stuff that they have on their website in the show. I didn't necessarily find any specifically items that go with Rhaenyra and that dress, but I did find this, which looks very similar to the necklace. I mean, although it's circle gems, not necessarily. This I'm going to be hobbling together with stuff I find from Michaels and Joann, so that was what that's from. But I hope that website was really cool, and thank you to whomever sent me that way. Next, you asked who the costume designer is for House of Dragons, and her Instagram. It is Janie Tamim. She's a French French costume designer who did a lot of Harry Potter and James Bond movies. She has yet to talk about the dress that we need, but she has talked about the famous green Allison dress. And one of you did send me to fabricdepot.com to take a look at a fabric that you thought would be a good idea. The pattern is there, but it's too beige. But because of this website, I have kind of fallen down the rabbit hole on some other ideas. Here is what I thought was a cool selection. It's not not necessarily the exact thing, but neat and similar look, which led me to the Google searches again and finding some other options. So I'm back to Etsy, getting samples of this chenille one that I thought was cool, and a sample of these two that are neat, but not necessarily the exact pattern, but they're just really cool. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for following.